So, hello guys! Today, ituturo ko step by step how to download, install, at i-configure ang Plus, MySQL at Apache 2 sa Ubuntu server. So, first step, let's connect our Ubuntu server to VS Code. So, let's run our virtual machine and type this command, sudo apt update to update the application. Next naman ay sudo apt install OpenSSH server. And then sudo system control enable SSH. So next is sudo system control status SSH to see if it's running. So next is ifconfig to get our IP ad para makapag-proceed na tayo sa VS Code. As you can see, 192.168.100.125 is our IP ad. Now we're going to VS Code and go to extension. Go to extension and then search remote SSH and install it. So ayan, naka-install na siya. Let's add securely connect a remote Ubuntu machine. Next, Ctrl P, select remote SSH. Then Ctrl P, tapos enter your username at server IP. Then your password. Now I'm connected to Ubuntu server. Let's open a new terminal inside VS Code. We are now working directly on the Ubuntu environment through VS Code. Now, we're ready to install na mga kailangan natin. Type natin sudo apt update. Next, sudo apt install Python 3. Next, we'll create a virtual environment to separate the dependencies of our Plus app. Then, ito yung mga packages na gagamitin natin. Plus app. Then, cd plus app. Tapos, Python 3. .vnb, my vnb. Next, source my vnb pin activate. Once the virtual environment is activated, install natin ang Plus app. pip install Plus. Next, we will create a simple hello Plus. Nano app. So yan, type lang natin to. database plus DB, create user plus user at localhost identified by plus grant of privileges on plus DB to plus user plus view tapos exit. So after nyan, you will need to create a WSG file to connect to Apache 2. We will create a app.wsgi plus app.wsgi. So let's configure Apache 2. Point to this WSG file. So type lang natin to. From app, import app as application. Let's configure Apache 2. Point to this WSG file. Sudo nano etc Apache 2 sites available plus app. Ito yung server natin plus app.com password. So ayan, type lang natin ito. So ito yung server name natin, yung 129.168.100 tapos yun, ito yung username, tapos directory home, require or granted, tapos exit na natin. I-reload lang natin yung Apache 2. Tapos open your browser and type lang HTTP yung server natin. Tapos as you can see, ayan, nag-work siya guys. So that's it guys. Nakapag-setup na tayo ng plus app running under Apache 2 with MySQL installed. Lahat sa Ubuntu server via VS Code Remote SSH. So by the way, I'm Sophie Nicole Bernardo from BSIT 3A. Thank you for watching. Bye!